And this video is for POWEROWL. These are lithium batteries, and this is the AA size. And this is an 8 count. Thanks a lot to POWEROWL for sending these out. And what I have right here in front of me are some Thomas and trains. And you're definitely going to need batteries. So actually, let's look at these before we replace them. So that's their speed before we replace the batteries. Now what I'm going to do is just replace these and be able to compare the speed and the power with a new battery. Let's put a new one in here. Put this back together. Alright, here we go with Percy. Already picking up speed. You can already see it. Let's switch out this Thomas here. The new battery. And that Percy's already catching up. You can already see it. Let's switch this Thomas out. Now Percy is pushing everybody with these new batteries. There's Thomas. Let's start this dart. Tons of new power with these batteries. So if you're looking for a battery that's going to do the trick for a lot of toys and other things like that, these are going to be the batteries for you. We can get 4 fast engines going. And the last one right here. So you can already tell quite a difference in how fast they go. Swapping out, these are really good batteries. Definitely have had used them in a lot of other products besides toys. They're great for remotes and other things like that. Put this dart back together and see how fast he goes as well. Already cooking. Yeah. So these are great. Lithium batteries from POWEROWL. This is the 8-pack. Definitely going to do the job. Not only for toys, but for just about anything else you need. Highly recommend. Definitely pick up a pack of these.